Welcome back to another episode with OBDSync. Today we're going to be showing how to enable the rear speakers on a Holden VE Series2 radio for a Ute, which we'll see on that image on our right where the fader is greyed out. So we're going to go to Vehicle, click on Radio, we'll wait for that to load up and display all the available programming options. We'll go ahead and click on Configuration, and now we'll be able to go to the body type. We'll see we have Ute, and we'll put it to Sedan. And then when ready, we'll click on the right button. We'll have a warning that will pop up. This is going to indicate basically that the screen will go black as it reboots, and it may take a while for navigation units to respond, and may take up to several minutes for them to wake back up. Once it's written, we'll see our screen goes black. Wait a few moments, and on this radio, since it is on nav, it does boot up pretty quickly. We'll see the logo animation screen. It will be a Holden red logo. There we go, as it pops up. And now if we click on config, and then we go to our speaker setup here, fader settings, we can see now that's unlocked. So if you have rear speakers attached, you'll now be able to hear sound coming out of them. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.